Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aquarius air sign, and this reading is from August 11 to August 20th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Aquarius. Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Wow, I think Aquarius, it's you. You stand by your power. Things are turning in your favor and long-term commitment is coming in your way. Wow, very beautiful past. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Things are turning in your favor, Aquarius. Long-term commitment is coming. Is already came. And right now, 7 of Cups, 3 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. Wow, stability. Ace of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. I think your person fantasizing about you a lot, or you could be fantasizing about your person a lot, and you both want reunion and stability is coming. I think what you want in this connection is in your way, is coming, because 3 of Cups with 10 of Pentacles, reunion and stability. Definitely coming stability in your way, Aquarius. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Wow, 6 of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy, or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag, fire sign. 7 of Wands. Wow, 6 of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection, and you person don't want to give up on this connection, even though they know obstacles there are in this connection. And 6 of Pentacles, they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. In past, there is no equal give and take between both of you. That's why your person now want to offer equal give and take in this connection, because they feel strong soulmate and connection with you. They want to work on this relationship. They don't want to give up on this relationship. Yes, they want reunion with you, Aquarius. They are fantasizing about you a lot. Stability is coming. Long-term commitment is coming. Wow, very, very positive reading. Positive cards. So let's pull some more cards from Universe, Aquarius. 7 of Swords. Page of Cups. 4 of Pentacles. 5 of Wands. Yeah, in past there are some disagreements between both of you. There is some fighting, there's miscommunication, false communication, but not expressing their feelings. I think it's your person, but now they want to apologize for what they did to you in past. They want to express their feelings. They want to offer equal give and take. They want to offer long-term commitment. Yes, I think they changed completely, because without they realizing your worth, in past there is some false communication, and there are some disagreements between both of you. Now they want to apologize you. Messages are coming in your way. Definitely they want to offer equal give and take. They want reunion, and you also want reunion with them. You also, if they don't want if they don't offer stability and reunion, I think you stand by your power. You walked away, you cut them off, even if they don't offer stability, because things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune, Aquarius. As your person realizing your worth and want to offer equal give and take. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.